Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to copy files from laptop to your phones. Okay, how to copy file from laptop to your phone. So you can see here, this is this PC, and you can see here my S25 Ultra is connected by USB cable. Also, you can connect your phone with USB cable. Then go to notification area. There is you can see option of transferring media files, okay, or USB connection settings. Click on that, then you can select multiple options like transferring files in new models, otherwise Android file transfer. And there is another option is transferring images. If you selecting transferring files, then you will get all of these folders from your phone. And if you select transferring images, then you can only access this folder DCIM. So that's the different. And here is I'm copying my files to this folder. It is called YT02. You can see here, this is my target folder. Okay, I'm open that, and once again I'm pressing Windows key plus E for opening a new this PC, that means Windows Explorer, and go to my video sections. Then you can see there is multiple videos. I'm selecting this one, and pressing shift key, then one touch, then it will be copy all of that files. Then right click, then select option of cut. Actually now it is cut, you can see it is faded, so that means those files are cutted. And click here, then right click, then select paste. Okay, then click here, then it will be start moving those videos to my phone. So in this way you can easily copy files from your laptop to your mobile phones. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.